Another day, another story. William Shakespeare once said, "Our doubts are traitors, and make us lose the good we oft might win, by fearing to attempt." Basically, that means doubt makes us quit. What is self-doubt? Self-doubt is a lack of confidence regarding yourself and your abilities. It's a mindset that holds you back from succeeding and believing in yourself. Humility is a healthy character trait to have, but if it's at your own expense, it's no longer beneficial. It's normal to experience feelings of doubt when we are faced with new or challenging situations. If you don't have some self-doubts and fears when you pursue a dream, then you haven't dreamed big enough. Joe Vitale. Types of self-doubt. Self-doubt often manifests in three forms. 1. Imposter syndrome, or the illogical fear of others seeing you as a fraud or undeserving of your accomplishments. 2. Self-sabotage, which refers to undermining yourself, your values, and your goals. 3. Indecisiveness, or struggling to make big and small decisions due to worries that whatever path you choose will be wrong. All of these things erode your self-esteem over time, and the negativity with which you view yourself increases. What is imposter syndrome? Imposter syndrome is a behavioral health phenomenon described as self-doubt of intellect, skills, or accomplishments among high-achieving individuals. The 4 P's of imposter syndrome are said to be perfectionism, paralysis, people-pleasing, and procrastination. Perhaps you recognize a couple of these traits in yourself, and they cause you to doubt yourself. To live your best life possible, a 3C's strategy can be applied for overcoming imposter syndrome: clarify, choose, and create. 4 signs that you're doubting yourself. 1. You can't accept compliments from others, and you can't give yourself credit. 2. You constantly seek reassurance. 3. You have low self-esteem. 4. You feel like you're never good enough. Too much self-doubt. Find balance. 10 tips to overcome self-doubt. 1. Practice self-compassion. Erase self-doubt by working to build your strengths instead of focusing on your weaknesses. Rodolfo Costa. 2. Remember your past achievements. It helps to remind ourselves about the times that things have gone right, because the same thing could happen in the present moment. 3. Try to not compare yourself to others. If you're experiencing self-doubt because you're afraid you won't accomplish something at the same level as someone else, then it can be a paralyzing feeling. Willpower is the key to success. Successful people strive no matter what they feel by applying their will to overcome apathy, doubt, or fear. Dan Millman. 4. Be mindful of your thinking. Erase self-doubt by working to build your strengths instead of focusing on your weaknesses. Rodolfo Costa. 5. Spend time with supportive people. Spend your time with people who make you feel good. 6. Find validation from within. Self-doubt can create fatigue in your mind, whereas focused action can create achievement in your life. Jackie Cantoni. 7. Remember that you're the harshest critic. 8. Identify your values. 9. Keep a journal. Make an effort to record what you're thankful for and what you're proud of doing each day. 10. Seek professional help if unable to cope. It's okay to ask for help, especially if self-doubt is a persistent obstacle that you're facing. Talking about our feelings and insecurities allows us to unburden ourselves and be heard. You are so much stronger than you realize. Don't let anyone ever tell you that you're not. Not even you. J.W. Lin. We emphasize a conscious shift in thinking, from reactive to proactive, to open up a realm of opportunities. Don't let others tell you what you can't do. Don't let the limitations of others limit your vision. If you can remove your self-doubt and believe in yourself, you can achieve what you never thought possible. Roy T. Bennett. Thanks for watching.